to unblock people on Facebook in 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. And yeah, it works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. And after that you have to go click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to scroll down, and then you can see the settings and privacy. You have to click on the settings and privacy, and after that you have to click on the settings. You come to the settings. So in the search bar of the settings, you have to search the block, and here you can see this option. So you have to click on the blocking, and here you can see the unblock right there in all the users that you have blocked. In you have all the users that you blocked. So that's it. So so you have to click on the unblock, and then here you can see the unblock. So when you click on the unblock, so after 48 hours these users will be unblocked. Or so that's it, that how you can unblock people on Facebook in 2021. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.